Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on mobile hotspot. After turn on mobile hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.